Hi everyone, this is Natalie from NeliDesign.com. I'm here today to show you how to make those beautiful silhouettes for your windows as a Halloween decoration. And you'll see they are very easy to do, and you can even choose your kids' favorite characters. So here we have Pokemons, of course. So let me show you how to make them. Okay guys, so to upload images, it's pretty easy. You're gonna click on upload now and upload image. Now I suggest that you just save some on your computer first. So you go to Google and you try to find some silhouette images of what you want, and you need to, the background needs to be the less busy possible. So you see this one is pretty cool, this one's pretty cool. This one was a lot of problems for me because it was too, the background was not simple at all. So let's say that I do this image and you open it and then you go to simple, continue, and you see the background's already taken off because there's all those little squares. You see preview, and that's what's gonna cut. But for me, what I want to do, I want to keep the eyes and the little flame inside, so I'm gonna remove the flame and the eyes. And if I do preview, that's what I get. So that's exactly what I want. I'm gonna continue, save as a cut image. You can change the name and the tag, and go ahead and save. And here you go, select it and insert image. And there you have it. You just scale it to the size you want it, and you're ready. That we have uploaded all of our images, we're gonna click on Make It. And I have 12 by 24 inches mats, so I'm going to use this. And you see there's a lot of space around the images, so we're going to try to save some materials because we all want to save, right? So by moving them around, you just click on them and move them around. You can use the little arrow to turn them around. And one thing that is really fun to know is, let's say I go on the other mat and I want to move this to the first mat. So I'm going to click on the little three dots and select move to another mat, and then click on first mat, confirm, and there you have it. It has moved from another mat, and you see it fits right there. So we're gonna do this for all of our pieces. So once you have optimized the placement on your mat, you're going to click on continue and connect it to your Cricut. Mine is connected via Bluetooth, it's my maker. For the material, you're going to browse all materials and search for window cling. That's the fastest way to find it. Just search window, and there it is, window cling. Done. And you're all ready to load your mat and cut. So I want to show you how window cling is very easy to use, to remove, and to stick on the windows. It's very fun to do, very easy. And you see here, I made some little modification using some tissue paper. I used Scotch tape too and added it to the places where it needed to be. So here we have a little Pikachu with his red cheeks. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!